Our comrades, the Union in this right Friendship Hall, who's always been very supportive, and President Hamid Awdallah is here. You know, he's not a member of this council, but he's been sitting day and night within this hall just to make sure that everything is all right. I would like on your behalf to thank our brothers and sisters, the interpreters, for the excellent job. In fact, this is one of the few occasions that I've never heard complaints about interpretation. And we will ask them to pay for us because I've been training on the unions for a long time. They have done a good job. We are very grateful for what they have done. And I would like also to on your behalf, to thank all our brothers and sisters who are working in the media. Any of you who reads Arabic and you've been following the newspapers, in the last 5 days you will find that most of what is written is about this event. In fact, for the first time I find that Sudanese journalists and newspapers gave a very high priority to what is going on here, in high respect to the trade union movement. Our photographer Awad is raising his hand to me. He's been doing a good job, but he prepared a CD for everybody. So you can take all the memories in the last few days with you, including the meeting with the Vice President and the President and everybody. So I hope there is a CD for everybody. Okay, so you can distribute it now.